Today we're talking about fragrances I'm currently obsessed with. I am drawn to these 5 fragrances. They're the ones I reach for constantly, even though I have such a huge perfume collection. The very first one on my list is Eclair by Lattafa. This fragrance has pretty much gone viral. It has been compared to really high-end and niche fragrances. Let's take a moment for the packaging. Beautiful. You get a very lactonic, gourmand, yummy, delicious blend in this fragrance that is very irresistible. This has caramel, milk, honey. Lattafa makes amazing fragrances. I don't know how they do it, but they come up with amazing blends, and this one is that. So it has been compared to Bianco Latte. I did get my hands on a sample of Bianco Latte. They're literally identical. If you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars, you want something that's going to last long, smell good, and is affordable, Eclair by Lattafa is such a great choice. And if you are into gourmand fragrances, you want to smell delicious, this one is it. It is delicious without being nauseating. It's a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. I like pairing this with fragrances that have a similar scent profile. This one, I cannot stop reaching for it. I pair it with so many fragrances, especially now that it's cooler. Bought this one myself and I have no regrets. Next up, I have XO Exclusive Oud. This one is Old Fashioned by Orientica Perfumes. To me, this is a fall winter staple. It is very cozy. It is also boozy. This one has boozy bourbon. It has cinnamon. You have caramelized sugar. You have smoky sandalwood. You have it all in this fragrance. On my skin, it registers just like Angel Share. Not an exact replica, but it smells so much like it. The boozy aspect to it, the coziness to it, it is just really, really an amazing blend that I have not stopped reaching for since I got it. It's 120 ml, so it's definitely gonna take me forever to get through this. I mean, huge. To me, this is blind buy worthy. I just really truly enjoy it, and this can pair really well with the Eclair. It is beast mode in performance. It leaves a trail. It smells fantastic. You will smell great all day. If you put it on your clothing, you are guaranteed to smell it forever. The next fragrance I'm obsessing over lately is Vanilla Powder by Matière Première. This has Vanilla Absolute Madagascar. This has coconut powder. This has white musks and Palo Santo. For a vanilla fragrance, I find this to be super potent. I don't know if it's the woody aspect. I don't know if it's because of the blend, but it is really truly potent. It stays on the skin forever. It smells amazing. Even when I'm not wearing it, I will like take it off from the shelf and just sniff it. It's just a great fragrance. To me, the blend is quite addictive. This is probably my absolute favorite from all the ones I've tried, followed by Radical Rose. These fragrances smell fantastic. Next up, we have Angel Phantasm by Mugler. We have the Black Star. This one is an ambery, gourmand, and fruity fragrance with a blend of coconut, bourbon vanilla, amber, and pineapple. This is such an addictive blend. Angel Phantasm is a gourmand fragrance in the best way. It has a lot of the original Angel DNA. However, with the pineapple and the coconut, it gives it such an amazing twist. One I would not have expected, but one I'm so pleased with. Like, I just really love that blend. The bourbon, vanilla, amber, and pineapple really stand out more. And if the coconut is there, it's definitely in the background. I did a full review on this fragrance here on this channel, so I will link it to this video. Since I received the fragrance, I've been really into it. I've been reaching for it. I've been wearing it a lot. It's great for date night. I also wear it during the day because if that's what I'm in the mood for, that's what I'm gonna do. I always say to wear what you want. Wear your fragrances when you want to wear it. I probably love Phantasm more than Nova, and that says a lot because Nova is like my baby. Love it, especially in the summer. I have been loving it. So Angel Phantasm, if you haven't checked it out, worth a sniff. If you are not intrigued on first spray, let it sit on the skin for a little bit, and I promise you, you will have a different perspective. So good. Last but certainly not least, this is the final fragrance that I've been obsessing over. This one is Smoking Gorgeous. The Arte Bellissimo collection is beautiful. I feel like every fragrance released in that range has been a hit. Dark Desire is my least favorite just because that one leans a little bit more masculine. You can tone it down by layering it. I do prefer this one. It gives you so many layers. It gives you a fruity side. It gives you a very kind of alluring, seductive side. It does have a very interesting profile, which if you wear it and compare it, you could see that it's similar to Carmina by Creed without the Creed price tag. Not to say that they are the same fragrance, but they have similarities. Love this. You get fruity, sexy, alluring, everything in one, and you also get like that through different phases of the fragrance, so it transitions beautifully. I really enjoy the dry down. Cannot get enough of Smoking Gorgeous. She's absolutely gorgeous. For me, Romantic from the Arte Bellissimo collection is still my favorite, but I've been obsessing over Smoking Gorgeous lately, and for a reason, because she's good, she's beautiful. Love it, and the bottle is phenomenal. The Middle Eastern fragrance companies, they really know how to elevate their packaging, and I cannot say enough about this. This is heavy. This feels very luxe. Love the bottle. Obsessed with the scent. These are my current obsessions. If you can get your hands on them, I really recommend trying them out. I appreciate you guys so much after 5 years. Some of you have stuck around. It means the world to me, way more than you know. So thank you as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will be seeing you very soon. Bye-bye.